Budget and economic survey, very important for your prelims. I have made a compilation for you so that you don't have to worry about any of the schemes or any of the outlays, anything which is to be learned for UPSC. Both the budget and the economic survey. Okay, economic survey, if you see the home page, it will be something like this. Okay, so these two documents in total, it's around 170-180 pages, because the economic survey alone in reality is 800 pages. I have summarized it chapter wise. If you see the index, there are 16 chapters in economic survey, all the 16 chapters, okay, which you can click and directly navigate to that. And before that, I have just given like what is economic survey, so that you get the theory part of it, about the history of it, when it started, okay, all these things. And chapter wise, if you see, not the unwanted theories which is there, that is why the actual economic survey is around 800 pages. Only the important ones, the main numbers, the comparison with other countries, and anything. Okay, you take your consumption, your investment, private sector, deficits, everything, the most important charts is given and the numbers is given, because that is what you have to quote in your mains answers. Okay, you have to write it based on the economic survey only then you will get the extra marks which others don't get. So first chapter is more theoretical, so that is why this much text you can see, but in other chapters and all, more numbers will be there. Okay, for example, let me go to the index. I'll go to the index and click on kind of inflation. Okay, chapter number 5, inflation. When you go page number 32, it reaches, and here if you see more of the numbers. This time also yesterday's current affair is there. The CPI, the base year is changed from 2012 to 2024. So that is why this headline inflation, food inflation, everything is very important for you, because the upcoming years, the inflation formula is changing. Okay, so that is why UPSC may ask you, and I have given all the numbers. Okay, only see every topic, the same topic in economic survey, if you read by yourself, it will be like at least 2 pages. But I have taken the most important 3 bullet points for every topic, so that you don't have to do the reading. Okay, so it will be very useful for you this year or next year, whenever you're giving exam. Every number, every statistics I have taken, and every chart is also taken. Okay, so nothing will be missed. Every infograph, everything is there. Okay, this inflation chapter, I don't see rural versus urban, state level inflation, the outlook, what is RBI telling. So anything, any chapter you want to study from this economic survey, you just click on that. Like suppose environment and climate change, there is a chapter. So there, what is the goal from idealism to realism, India's climate action philosophy, the adaptation, these are all like pages and pages of theory they have given, and lot of schemes will be mentioned in these things. So a little bit summary of the schemes also as a bonus PDF I am giving you. Okay, if you are enrolling today, I'll be giving you a bonus PDF, same like that. Now suppose look at the budget PDF. If you take again all the numbers, all the schemes, this also, this time, you know, if you have seen the speech of finance minister, first kartavya, second kartavya, third kartavya, that was her speech order. In that same order I have summarized it. But before starting all this, I have given theory about budget documents, the budget factual points to remember for prelims. After the 3 kartavyas, I have given extra notes on 16th Finance Commission, the deficits, the fiscal consolidation, direct tax, indirect tax, home ministry giving higher allocation than last year, more data through images, meaning more than this you don't have to study. Okay, whatever is there in every government website and every newspaper, I have compiled it here. See, you can zoom this and read the budget profile. 53 lakh crore is our budget size, and every where it goes and where it comes. Okay, that complete explanation is given here. And then if you're enrolling to 2027 batch 2, the upcoming batch on February 19th, this will be given for free in that. Okay, it is included as a bonus PDF in that batch. Okay, and here the 9th time the same finance minister is doing record budget. So this is also a theoretical thing which you have to know. Then this budget team of the finance minister, the economic affairs ministers and secretaries and all. And here the other documents which you place along with the budget. Okay, which actually is a UPSC question. Okay, UPSC have asked questions on these 2 things. They have asked on finance bill, they have asked on demand for grants, they have asked on everything. See, receipt budget, expenditure budget, everything they have already asked questions. So with article number, with the constitutional clauses, everything I have explained. The theory part, consolidated fund of India, contingency fund of India, public account. So your theory will be done first, so that the terms are very easy and familiar for you. And only after the theory of 3-4 pages gets completed, we give you what is budget and what is its history, and even railway budget when it was separated from the budget, that kind of things, budget speech, everything. Okay, and see, presented on February 1, 3 kartavyas. And that is why this Sunday it happened, and stock market was open for the first time after independence, means second time after independence. That's a factual thing you have to know. And then like that, each kartavya from the index itself, you can click and navigate to what you want. See, biopharma scheme, so that related what information you have to know, textile sector, everything. Okay, semiconductor mission, everything is covered. So you just have to come and enroll to this, and then your preparation will be complete. Okay, any doubt you have or how to enroll and all, you just have to come to my WhatsApp. Okay, because you would have already already seen this image in my Instagram, WhatsApp and all in the last few days, right? So there you have to simply come and WhatsApp me. Okay, this particular number, our usual number, you have to come and tell either you want only the budget document or the combo. Okay, combo. So here, if you are my student already, any course you have bought from me, it's a different pricing, and if it's a new student, it's a different pricing. Okay, very little variation only anyway. So you can come and message me WhatsApp budget or WhatsApp combo survey, and these are the 4 things you will get. Okay, the budget survey summary PDF, survey summary PDF which I showed you, and also the 2 bonus PDF. One is a list of agricultural schemes, and then the scheme fund outlays. Okay, that is a government document actually, but I will give it to you. Okay, which will include all the money which goes in and out for different schemes and ministries. Okay, so this complete thing, if you want, come and WhatsApp me now itself in this number, and I will message you there.